we will be showing you how to take the Sahi assessment on dress. You will first start by signing into your account using your credentials. Once you are signed in, a pop-up on your screen will appear of the self-assessment. The pop-up will show the terms of use which you as a student are responsible of reading. Once you have read the terms of use, you can then click on Start Assessment and you will see a question on whether or not you have a temperature reading. If you click Yes, you will be asked to provide us with your temperature reading, and you will move to the next section. If you select No, you will still move to the section of the self-assessment. The next section is the mild symptoms questions, and you need to select one or many of the tabs that appear there. Then click Next. The next section is the moderate symptoms questions, and you also need to select one or many of the tabs that appear there. Then click Next. The next section is the critical symptoms questions, and you also need to select one or many of the tabs that appear there. Then click Next. This is the last section, and you need to select any of the exposure symptoms questions. If you do not relate to any of the two questions, you can select none of the above, and then click Submit. Once you have submitted, you will see a report with your first name and last name, student number, name of your residence, date and time of when you took the assessment, and your status. Your status will indicate your risk at having the virus, and also advise whether or not you should seek medical attention. You then also have an option to save the report as a picture and use as proof of taking the assessment, and when you select that button, your report will be saved as a picture in your device's gallery.